guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so in today's video, this is actually part 2 of my little series that I did where I am reviewing the new Necessary Eyeshadow Palettes by Ilia Beauty. So this brand recently came out with 2 little eyeshadow palettes for fall. They are newly formulated and they come in 2 shades. So there is the Warm Nudes and the Cool Nudes. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and creating this look using the Cool Nudes palette. So if you're interested in sticking around and watching me create this look using the newly formulated Ilia Beauty eyeshadow palettes in the shade Cool Nude, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so before I jump into today's video and the footage of me creating this very deep vampy look, just want to first give you a little bit of information about the shadows and the 2 new essential eyeshadow palettes by Ilia Beauty. So as mentioned in my intro, these are newly formulated shadows. They are super blendable, buttery, just help you achieve just a beautiful wash of color on the lid with minimal fallout. These palettes contain 6 talc-free, cleanly formulated powders, and they also come in a variety of finishes, which include matte, shimmers, and metallics. These shimmers in these palettes, spoiler alert, are so gorgeous. Just the finishes and the color stories of these palettes just are so versatile and really help you create looks from day to night. So in today's video, I think I created more obviously an evening look, and in my first video where I review the Warm Nudes palette, I think I create more of kind of a daytime fall look, so definitely check that out. As always, Ilia Beauty is cleanly formulated. They are free from many toxic ingredients that we are often trying to avoid. I highly encourage you checking out my full face review of Ilia Beauty products for more information. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this look using the new Ilia Beauty Essential Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Cool Nude.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Let me love you. Let me love you. Right now.
Okay, so that completes this look using the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Cool Nude. Now, I definitely went for a more vampy and kind of deeper look than I usually create. I really wanted to take advantage of these just deep, rich purples. I just couldn't help myself. And I think it turned out really nice. So I do want to mention that this palette is sold out currently on the Ilia Beauty website, and I really think for good reason. These cool kind of purple shades are just so up my alley and really beautiful. As mentioned in my Warm Nudes video, if you haven't checked that out already, I really am enjoying these newly formulated shadows. They are super buildable, blendable, and just the pigment is really there. Shadows do claim to have minimal fallout, and I would definitely agree with that, and I think putting these deeper shades really put that claim to the test. And honestly, I really had minimal fallout. You could definitely tell there wasn't a whole lot there. I only had to clean my eyes up a little bit just to kind of get the shape I wanted, and I really wasn't cleaning it up to kind of get rid of fallout. So I definitely agree with that. This palette is just so perfect and on point for fall. So is the Warm palette for that matter. I think Ilia Beauty really knocked it out of the park with this new formulation in their eyeshadows. They are just super, super beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had a chance to try the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Cool Nudes or even in their Warm Nudes palette. They are both just so gorgeous. In terms of the clean liquid eyeliner in Midnight Express, I've also been really liking that as well. I've kind of thrown it into my travel bag for this summer. I'm really liking the firm felt tip. It just kind of makes it a one swipe process. I don't typically get into cat eyes too often just because of my eye shape. I personally don't feel it's very complimentary to my round eyes. However, I could see this eyeliner being a super easy tool to kind of facilitate a clean cat eye. Maybe I'll have to try that in another video. However, I'm really loving the liner. It is super black, it is super matte, and it just applies so easily. You can't beat that. So before I go, as always, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Again, as mentioned, if you haven't checked out part 1 of the new Ilia Beauty Essential Eyeshadow Palette series, I definitely recommend checking it out. That Warm palette is just too good to miss. Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, so if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Baby, let me love you.